What's going on? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Let's go and dump this thing. Let me pull this up on my phone, make it easier for me to read the old chat-a-rooney. There I am. Boom, boom. I'll be honest with you, I am stopping out, flattening out. We got zero push down at the pivot point. And it looks like we're going to break north even more. Probably just ride this train up. Yo, what up, Shoot the Soul? What up, Alex? What up, Jojo? What are the size of those accounts? You know what size they are. You know exactly what size they are. Those are 50K accounts. We will just say so I'll tell you exactly what happened, which is crazy, and you should all know about this. So I have NinjaTrader set up to copy trade, and my computer at home is still on. So the copy trader is still on. So when I bought in 71, it copy traded in 92 and 95, and I didn't know that was going to happen. So what happened was, because my computer is on back home, it copy traded. So not only did I make it in the account I was in, it copy traded these PAs as well. So now I'm up. I'm obviously over the consistency rule, but the one thing I will say is, even being up almost 2 grand, the account's only up 51,400. So they have a little bit more of leniency if your account was below 50,000 and then you had a large day. So it is what it is. I don't really care. Like, you guys, everyone focuses on like, oh, consistency rule, whatever. Listen, just make money. Make money, request a payout. And if you went over the consistency rule, they might still pay you. And you know what? If they don't pay you, you just keep growing the account. And in 10 days, you request it again, and then they'll pay you in 10 days. So people worry too much about things like that. It's like, dude, just focus on making money, man. Just focus on money. Because if you focus on making the money, So what's crazy is also I smashed, this is my take profit trader account. I almost hit daily loss limit yesterday by $10. I was $10 away. And I was like, man, I need a big day to come back. And today I'm up 1,400. So I'm just gonna stop on this account for today. So I'm up 1,400 there. I'm up over 2 grand in this account, which I needed because this account was also down. So I needed that. And then obviously, what the fuck? Like I didn't just learn my freaking lesson. I just bought. Oh, I thought I was in 78 buying 2 more. I just made more money. I just made freaking another 100 and something dollars. Yo, what up, Racer? I actually passed, so 69. I have another funded account when I go home. 71 is getting up there. Bro, $10. $10 away from losing the account yesterday. There wasn't even a stop loss. I hit the button and it stopped at $10 left. And I was like, oh man. I was like, that could have been so bad. And then today I just ripped. That was from, this was from overnight. So I tell you guys all the time to play the pivots. So if you look, we'll just back it up overnight. Um, we were up. I was going to bed and we were up here. And I said, you know what? If we come back and touch this pivot line, this yellow is the pivot line. I'll buy at the pivot. So I ended up buying at 86 and it dropped about, what is that? 16 points. That's nothing. And then I ended up selling, I calculated it out that I'd make about $1,400. So, but that was the deal. I bought at the pivot point. I figured if we were up so much and we came back, hit the pivot point, we'd bounce. And that's how I made the money in this account as well. This account was a pivot point. Take Profit Trader was a pivot point. Think it's gonna fade? I don't know. I thought it was gonna fade because we're bouncing our head right on this pivot point, but we got over it twice now. So I thought it was going to be a really good short, but I don't know. They pumped it. They pumped it over a couple times. You want to see them get it over, but I'm starting to not like it, to be honest. I think if it breaks down from here, it will. I can't trade in 71, so I need 78. Just looking at the dollar and the VIX, we're looking at a massive profit taking. Yeah. You made $2,000 in funded accounts. I did. What about consistency rules on PA accounts? Dude, I don't give a shit. I'm here to make money. What's the worst they could tell me? What's the worst that they could tell me? I don't get paid and I have to trade 10 more days. Okay, cool. I'll trade 10 more days and I'll have my buffer of $4,000 or whatever it is. Like, you guys worry too much about consistency rules and all this other shit. Like, the goal is just to make money. So if there's an opportunity to make money, you make money. Like, they want you to be thinking about all these things, and that's where they get their edge. I don't care one bit. And honestly, the accounts were below 50,000. So a lot of times when they're below 50,000, the prop firms kind of allow you to they allow you to get bigger gains. They allow bigger gains if you're below 50,000. So the fact that I was below 50,000, you know, I bet you I get paid, Josh. So I made $1,800 in a day in an account and I got paid. If you read the rules, it's a soft consistency. It's not a hard rule, it's a soft consistency rule. So it's not exactly 30%. That's what the rules are. So I've done it before. I think it was like $1,800 in a day in an account, and they paid me out. So why would I care about 1,900? They'll pay it out. I'm ready to make billions and billions and billions and billions. Crazy, but that's the truth though, is they paid out when I broke the consistency rule because it's a soft rule. It's not a hard set in stone consistency rule. I've said that before, and I always say, man, just focus on the money. Also, what people don't realize is, say they deny me the payout. You just trade for 10 days, whether you make money or not, they just want you to trade for 10 days and then they'll give you the payout. Yeah, man. Dude, I'm up here 1,500. I'm up here 1,400. And then in all these accounts, as you can see, Daddy made money. Daddy made money. All I did was play the pivot point last night. I went to bed. I was saying on the stream, I went to bed when we were up here, and I said if we come down and touch the pivot point, which is this yellow line or orange line, I'll buy. And I bought right here, and then I sold when we were up. Super easy trade. Yeah. Yep. Actually, I might even have some PA accounts I got to put up. Let me see. Let me go to Apex. Let's go to Apex and see what the deal is. Do I have any more funded accounts that are over signatures? Unless I did them last night. Nope, I got another one. What's so weird is it's not even listed in here that I'm over. It's so weird. Good morning, Jen. What up? What up? Just stacking, early stacking. Oh, I just realized they just gave me the pass for my Rhythmic account. Ugh, I can't even do anything with this account. I'm not. I'm not home. I'm on vacation, so I can't trade this Rhythmic account. So I'll just pay for it on Sunday. Good morning, Maria. Stacking gains this morning. Why did they disconnect me like that? Got this one up today. Got my take profit trader up today. Yo, smash the like button. Oh, get that good karma starting early. Yeah, I'm out in Montauk right now. I live about 2 hours away, so it's not like we got to fly anywhere. So we came out Wednesday, and now we leave Sunday. So that's why after today, guys, I'm going back to trading 1:30 till the end of the day. Back afternoon stream is back. We're done in the morning. Probably going to be done in the morning. First 15 minutes of the market, no funded accounts for me because we all learned that lesson, right? We all learned no funded accounts in the morning. Dude, I need some rest. I need to sleep in tomorrow. Also, I need another coffee. Yeah. What are you guys doing up there in Montauk? You just kind of like, you can hang out at the beach, you can pick pumpkins, you can go to the duck pond, you can just walk around at all like the little towns over here. There's a lot of like sightseeing stuff, I want to say, that you can do. I want to see something. How many days? Why is this not telling me how many days? Oh, the 18th. I got like 14 days to expire. Yeah, I got a long time for expiration for this. Just looking at everything, looking at all the damn, they bounced him back up. All right, time to let this rip. Here comes the dump. Yeah, you ain't kidding. You ain't kidding. I'm looking at actually I'm gonna pull up my phone here. Simba is talking about your duck race right now. Rosales, you could yo, where is he talking about it? Tell him, Cove Trader. I'll go in his thing. Where is he? Live? Is he live? Watch this. Does he stream on YouTube? I don't even know where he streams. I hate how he plays, to be honest. I can't stand how he plays his fibs and whatnot. It's so freaking so hit or miss. Man, they just dumping this thing. Oh. Look how like I mean it couldn't close over the pivot point and you just got a massive dump from it. Money. Money. I wish I held. Oh, I'm in on my phone. Dude, Josh, I see you in there. I fucking posted in there.
Here we go. Ready?
Gee. So funny. So funny. I'm about to take something. For whatever reason, I can't. Dude, this thing's fucking crazy, man. All right, so the 5 minute orb is set. Am I following that today? No, because we're all over the place with this freaking news. I will not be. Damn. Oh, fuck me, man. I am ready to rip. My computer's fucking acting slow as shit. Why is my computer like this? Cool. Who's buying right now, anyways? Dude, that dump played out perfectly. Hasn't the MO on these NF? Yeah, yes. Yo, what up, Asian Munda? Yo, you like the close cam? That's because I'm on my laptop. I'm freaking close to this thing. I'm super close. I'm like, so funny. So funny how many people have taken the duck race ever since. It's just so wild how catch on it's been. I just find it to be ridiculous. So wild. I didn't think it would ever catch on when I first did it. I thought it was just like a fun thing and nobody would ever do it because I felt like everybody is I don't know. I felt like it was like more of a professional environment that people wouldn't be doing it. Uh it's consolidating nicely. I got 5 minutes left to take the trade. 5 minutes. Right now, this is where the orb is at. But you can see these blue lines. This is what we're looking at. If we can consolidate within here and not make new highs or new lows, that'd be freaking money. That would be money, money. So glad Nutty found the duck race. Somebody told him about it. That's the only reason he found it. Uh, somebody from the chat told him about it. Just remember where it came from. Dude, I got a Santa race for the holidays. I found a Santa race for the holidays. I got a couple other ones that are hanging around. I will say for this news, for us being up so much, and then when the market opens, not going anywhere is pretty interesting. This is really interesting. I feel like we're favoring the upside here, to be honest with you. Kind of seems very upsidey. Dude, it's consolidating right here, right below the 15-minute orb. I am setting, so this is an eval, just so you are aware. I will, I just like the way this is consolidating. I'm going to take a three mini pack on the break if we do break. Trying to look to see how many. Oh, there's the clock. So I got about another minute for this thing to really settle and be the correct way. Oh yeah, I'm liking it. Come on, give me the push, baby. You switch from ducks to cars. Problem with the cars is you can't do 100 of them. You can only do up to 5 or 10. Kind of whack. At the top of the current balance area via market profile, it can punch through the highs and stay above. Then we're back down to the opposite end, 19,900 area. Maybe not today, but soon. No, I can see that. I think if we sell below here, it's done for the day. I mean, or I think if you sell down to VWAP, you're getting too close to where we were before the news, that the magnet will be to come all the way back. And then if we go below, it's just going to dump it out. I figured he switched because you called him out on the ducks. Possibly. He might have seen it. He might not admit it, but he probably saw it. Dude, just find your own thing, man. Find your own thing. There's the fucking internet's massive. You don't think there's another giveaway thing that you can dig up besides the same exact thing someone else does? We did the cards, which was cool. Everybody's name was on a card, and it was the last name to get pulled wins. So you didn't want to be first. So pull the cards out, and as the names got out, you lose. It's kind of like a reverse, where like, everyone's name's in the raffle, but the first one's not the winner, it's the loser. And then you just wait until the very end. That was cool. We did that once or twice. What up, Andy? What up? What up? Dude, the reverse raffle is cool. You know what's cool about the reverse raffle is it lasts longer. Like it's more on edge, like whose names are left. I want to say it took about like 3 minutes, probably 3 or 4 minutes to do it. Yeah, it doesn't tell you who last place is though. Like it stops. Oh man, this thing's like primed. Oh, we got 82 on the downside. Guys, little tidbit: when you leave your computer at home, make sure you sign out of everything. I'm frozen. Trying to delete some of the some of the web pages I got open just to free up some space here. There we go. I'm set up here, set up there. Okay, okay. Just feels like once we break, we're just gonna rake in.
Billions and billions and billions and billions and billions and billions and
It's crazy. The strike is suspended already. Oh, I was looking for this. The Trump too much winning.
because we're going to turn it around and we're going to start winning again. We're going to win so much. We're going to win at every level. We're going to win economically. We're going to win with the economy. We're going to win with military. We're going to win with.
You're gonna get tired of winning. I love that. I love the reels where it's like me and my 5 friends going to the casino, and it's the Trump thing. He's like, we're gonna get tired of winning. I did not see this coming, guys. This is literally, we opened and we're just consolidating. Look how tight that is. I want to say I favor the upside. I probably favor the upside here. But I'm not taking anything until we break out of this. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This is what I was saying before about you take the bounce trades, if it stays within the orb, I was playing around with. So if it stays in the orb, you kind of take a bounce inside, and you play the range. So now you're kind of playing. Probably should have maybe taken that. I was up $100 and something. I did not take it because I'm a freaking moron. I am not doing this in a funded account, just so you guys are aware. Did they just sweep it and then they're gonna fucking bring it back? Get out of here. Come on. Push this shit down. Flush it. Flush it. This is what I need. It's hanging on by a thread. There we go. That was a good one. 85 to about 70. That's 15 points to the downside. Oh, dude, it's still going. Congrats if you held. Jeez. That was a solid play. I mean, honestly, at the end of the day, like if you bought even one contract and it went 15 points, you'd be up $300 and you can just be done for the day. I actually should have done it in my funded account and I did not because I'm an idiot. Come on, bounce this. Biatch. Okay. If it sells through, it sells through. Oh, I went to hit the button. I had like 40 something dollars, $50. Come on. Flash it up. Flash it up. Come on. I have no idea if they approved them. Come on. Come on. Come on. One time for daddy. Oh, fuck, man. Holy shit. Wow. They didn't even hold it. Dude, this is fucking done. This is roasted. Completely gave it all up. Completely gave it all up. Man, I can't fucking hit the button quick enough. I think if they break it back over, I just feel like they could push it. Gotta break over. It's gotta break. Hammer's gotta turn green. There you go. Just a little scalp. I was just looking for a quick scalp off that. I don't trust it at all. I was just looking for the push over. We got what I wanted. Dude, all 15-minute break, man. You could have gotten, should have just held. Hive pivot. I don't know what that is. Shorted 1 mini on the move up and was in pain when it squeezed. Oh wow, dude, you held. Dude, you held for a while, Kevin. Jeez. It's a long hold. It's a serious hold. I know I keep harping on it, but again, that's the beauty of the market profile. It reaches a balance area, high or low, can't get through. The move to the opposite end is pretty quick. Yeah, I'll play around with it. I can't do shit while I'm on this laptop. That I can tell you. This laptop is holding on by a thread to do anything. I think one more browser tab open and it dumps. I'm even going to shut this off. This is Take Profit Trader. No need to take it up. I'm up 1,400 in here. You can see it, but I can't trade anymore today, and I'll just freeing up space on my computer. I mean, this does not look great. Yeah, I'll design now. Remind me on Monday, because Monday I'll be on my real computer, and we can I can actually look it up and bring it up and do everything. I'd look at it live, but just remind me. I don't like this at all, this bounce. I don't trust this. What are they going to do here? Are they going to bring us all the way fucking back? Wasn't that like the market the other day? They dumped it in the morning and then brought it all the way back. Right here is the pivot point. Pivot point is at 118. So I'm curious if they just I'd like to see just a quick down candle. We get under here, under 98, might get a quick flush. I'm just taking a quick profits because it is iffy being at 20,100 and I'm down on the day in this one account. So that's why I took it real quick. Glad I did. I actually got the bottom, but I feel like if we were going to reject, this would probably be the area of rejection. Maybe I'm going to switch to, you know, I'm going to switch to 84, which is an eval. Let's see what happens. It's risky because you're over 20,100. Okay. Okay. I like that. Oh, let me see what you guys. I'll put a link in the Discord. It's very, very powerful. Ultimately, it's just another tool, but why use a hammer when you can use an air gun hammer if you feel it? Yeah, man. I'm all about putting information in the Discord. That's why I made it. I think that's a good idea, man. I think it's a real good idea. See, the only issue I have here is we rejected, but on the 5, this MACD is curling up here. It wouldn't surprise me to push through. We got the initial rejection, which is first touch, but now it's getting iffy. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't. Oh man, rejected again. I like playing first touch. So after that, after first touch, it gets iffy. But I guess if you can get a good entry and tight stop, it's probably worth it. Probably worth it. It's not my funded account trade plan to play a second touch most of the time. But that's not saying I won't take it in an eval. Dude, I'm logged in on my other computer, so I have to constantly freaking log in here. Oh. Ooh, new lows coming in. Coming in hot. Coming in hot. Damn. Damn. Dude. That's fucking 19,987 is the next pivot. That's freaking down there. I mean, this is not good. We've given up everything and we're lower. If we hit that, that'd be interesting. 988, 987. That's how I'm gonna play it in this account. 1, 2, 3, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into 99, which is I'm gonna go to micros. I'll play a quick micro there. What I'm playing. Yeah. Remember, you can DCA one time. But I think that's my trade plan for this dump.
I'm Donald Trump, and I approve this message.
Yeah, 888. Oh, 888. Geez, dude. I mean, possibly. You're going to get a bounce, obviously, before that, you know. Sometime before that, you'll get there's going to be bounces along the way. I'm not looking for a trend change. I'm just looking for, not looking for, long term. I'm just looking for a good time real quick. And I think we can get a quick bounce in that area. We just need to get the bounce correctly so we can just crack in.
700 billion and $1,300 billion.
So the first hour orb, dude, is large. It's all the way 244. Damn, this is going to be one of the biggest ones I've ever seen. But yeah, it's going to be a large hourly. It's going to be a very large hourly. It's going to be like 200 points. A pretty big spread. Oh, man. I'd like to see it reject here and then still spill over. I feel like I want to take a little short here. I'm just pulling up my they're just ripping it real good. Come on. Are they gonna really push this thing up? Basically, this is the break. So we're retesting the break, and I'm keeping a super, super tight stop loss on it, is what I'm doing. We're retesting the break spot, and if it can't reclaim it, it's definitely going to roll over. And that's why I'm using micros, because it's not the best trade in the world, and I have a super tight stop on it. But I think if we can get it to reject down, you could get 15, 20 points out of it, maybe. You know, we get under here, get under 50, drop it down. I fucking was going to hit the button. I did not because I'm an idiot. God. Why didn't I just, why? Why? Tell me why, guys. What up? What up, man? Dude, I was just up. I'm not touching it right here. Not touching it. I'm just gonna freaking hang. Let's see what happens. Damn, my wrist just like cracked in 8 places. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, man, I'm doing pretty good. I maxed out my gains in Take Profit Trader today. I would say overall I'm up past an eval. Man, this thing got like fucking choppy. I can't believe they just ripped this all the way back up. That's freaking wild. I want to see them bring it back down a little bit. Oh, hold on 1 second. Oh. Tell them you just need grass and quotes. Grass and quotes. Where the fuck? Dude, I made the trade. I don't know where the thing is. Tell me how much I just made on that. Ugh. Is there a short opportunity? To me, there was, because we hit our head on the pivot point right here. See how we came up to 118? This yellow line is the pivot point. That's been resistance, and that was the short to me. Hello? Do not do this at home. I'll be back in 3 minutes. Oh shit. I got out of one. I'll set my stop right there. Boom, Jawan. Jawan, that's freaking awesome. Yo, smash the confetti for Jawan. And nothing like getting the clap early in the morning. I'm back. Oh, man, Mrs. Cove needed me. Oh, dude, I got taken out. Oh, slam that roast beef. Oh, man. Using divergence? What indicator? Were you looking at the cumulative delta, Jawan? Is that what you're looking at, cumulative delta? Oh, why don't I have this here? Dude, what a freaking pivot point rejection. Oh man, twice today. Twice. Just had to hold. That's what I thought. This big ass candle. Watch it hold right here. Oh, man. Bro, it was primed. It was primed. That was, I don't know if you have Trading View, but that's why you keep the pivot points up. If you have Quant Tower, they're on Quant Tower. What the oh, Jesus. I want to say that's like the fifth time I was going to hit the button to get out. And as soon as I freaking go to hit the button, oh shit, cool. I see how this day is going with this account. There's always one account. There's always one account that gives me fucking trouble. Oh, baby. Just seems like the place they're gonna. No, no. Once I put my order in, you want to back it off then? It'd be cool to get a equal low here and freaking rip it. Dude, tight stops. Freaking, it's crazy. There is like it's just moving around like wild. Like I said, I want to say I missed selling for profit 5 times and ended up taking losses. Every time I'm like, oh, I'm out. I'm just not out. It's just the candle just bounces like or rejects like 8 points. I'm like, I don't understand. YM finally going down. Come on, what are we doing? Honestly, it feels like it's going to sell through. Feels like it's going to sell, grab liquidity, and either bounce off 20,000 or hit the pivot point and bounce up. I bet you they turn it. Something. Gotta make it back. Ooh, 50. That was $55. That was like, come on down. Just waiting for my entry. Definitely gonna push it down. Push it. Push it. Come to Papa. I should have shorted it, but it's so freaking iffy. Well, oh, dude, somebody just got their face ripped off. That's 20 points. That was like 20 points in a second. Another 55. I'm just chipping away at this point. Just chipping away, trying to. It's getting iffy to short it here because it's pushed down a couple times and it seems like it's due to pop. I'd love to see it just one more flash. Dude, this is. 110 back. What did I get? $100 back. That was nice. Just scalping away, scalping. Oh, look at that. 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 67. Oh, bro. 36 points in like a second. Yo, you better have some stop losses in. That's all I'm going to say is I would have some stop losses in. Protect the booty. Better protect the booty. That's all I got to say. Definitely protect your booty because this is getting crazy. Oh, baby. I didn't even get a chance to move my stop loss on that. Are you up, or did you get? Are you at least up on it? Wow. I mean, it came back if you're long, but oh man. How many accounts am I red? Any green? I'm oh, I want to take this. I'm gonna take this at freaking. Ooh, got some more money back. Oh, well, I'm green I'm green all here. You see, I'm green, 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 some green. I passed 569 is a eval. I passed this eval today, so that's funded. 571 is getting close to funded, but every time I trade 571, it copy trades to my PA accounts, so I can't trade that separately today. I got this eval that's down, and then my funded futures, I'm up almost $1,900, and then in my take profit trader account, I'm up $1,400. So I would definitely say I'm up pretty freaking big today. The only account I'm down in that I care about is this account right here, 99. Damn. Sometimes that's good, Marie. Runs right through the target. Mostly from pre-market. Yes. Well, I traded this after. I traded 98 after during market hours. I traded this. I got up another $100 during market hours. I think I traded my funded futures account for like $300 during market hours. And that's pretty much it. I should have made a lot more money because I should have just held on to the pivot point rejection here and the pivot point rejection here, and I would be up a ton. I got to really just tell myself, like, honestly, I just got to tell myself, hey, like, this is going to reject, hold it for 20 points, and that's it. NQ looks like it wants to bounce, but ES looks pretty sick. Honestly, it's kind of looking like an inverted cup and handle, kind of. I mean, if this just loops around and then breaks through, no, Monica. It's still green, but pretty good odds that they sell it completely off. I have this weird feeling we're going to go red. I have a feeling we go red. I would hold this if I wasn't down a bunch, but being down sucks, kind of limits it. Being that I can't trade all day because I'm heading out soon, kind of limits what type of come on, come fucking down. Give me at least 50, $100, $30. I'm just kind of chopping away here. It looks like we want to roll, but here we go. Fuck it. The one time I take a fucking shot, it just pops like that. I have this problem all the time. There's always like one PA account that just absolutely sucks. All indications are red. I think we're going to go red on the day, but apparently that big green adult toy thought different. This isn't a long breakout. Honestly, like until you get over probably 20,120, I would be looking to go short. It also depends on what up, Donovan. What depends on like he said, depends on your strategy. Like to me, you'd be looking for shorts unless you get over 20,120 for anything that's like longer than a scalp. Anything that's longer than a scalp, I'd probably say that that's what I would do. You know, like I just scalp that, but that's not a real, that's not like, I'm not holding that. I like shorting pops, but I don't like getting in early and squeezed. Yeah, I mean, that's part of the thing. My area, like I said, would be 20,120. You get over that, you're probably going to be good to the upside. Under that, I would just kind of be looking. Wouldn't be surprised if we get back up there. Like the news this morning was good news, but the market's just not buying it. It's the best way I can word it is, I don't know, it doesn't believe it. I don't know. Just watching and watching. I mean, it's pushing, but it's going to get interesting up here. That's my plan. That's my plan. Let's see what happens. This I'll look to hold if it fills. It did not fill, but come on, this is just garbage. Oh, OPEX days of crazy moves screw everyone but the insiders. I don't think today is OPEX. OPEX is usually third Friday in the month. I don't think this is OPEX. Oh, my computer. Yeah, OPEX days are, OPEX is third Friday in the month. Today's not an OPEX day. Come on. No, 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 no. Cool. Just another freaking. I mean, yeah, what you're really looking for is all those options to be expiring. They're gonna fucking do this. They're gonna bring it back up. I'm so fucking over this market. Let's go for a duck race, bro. Hope I win today. Yeah. Ah, still down a ton. Oh, man. I mean, the real short opportunity is up higher. I mean, the real short opportunity is like, if we break plus order block will be a good short. I want to see it come up and touch the pivot point again. Kind of what I'm shooting for. That's where I'm at. I'm just waiting. This is like some morning chop. Here we go. Am I going to get filled? Push it. Dude, I don't know if I'm going to run out of time today. I might have to postpone it to Monday. We might have to duck race, postpone it. I'm supposed to leave soon. And my computer is literally gonna crash. Every time I switch the browser button, the stream freezes. Dude, it's crazy. I'm getting text messages from the wife. All right. Like I said, we break over here. This thing's got to recalibrate, I bet. Watch this big orange line recalibrate. See, just recalibrate. That's a fucking VWAP. Oh, it actually peaked over. That's crazy. It popped over VWAP. It popped over the pivot point and got rejected right down. If they pop this over, I'm probably going to take this long, and I'm probably going to hold it with a large stop. You're going to have to pop it over though. That or are they going to sell this off like 40 points and I'm going to hold? Yeah, I mean, it's crazy. I want to see him sell it down to like 85. I took my money because I'm down a bunch, but oh, see why this time is different to me is this time we shot all the way up to the pivot point. This was a break, retest, dump, and then we bounced all the way back up. This is a fucking slow grind. This to me looks like we're going to go higher. I mean, we're slow grinding up. Also, this, oh, that's the mid. That has nothing. It just can't hold above. My gut's telling me up, but this can easily just dump. Lunch break territory soon. Yeah, I'm about to freaking go get lunch. It's just consolidating. I don't like the short because it's consolidating right here. It kind of seems like it's going to push up. I could be completely wrong, but the news was pretty good. Like, it just seems like it's controlled grind up. What you want to see though is you want to see a green candle back up to like 27 here. You know, you want to see some volume push. Get it back over VWAP. This is VWAP right here. I think if we can get over VWAP, it could definitely volume push back up. No. Oh. Fucking back in like a loser. Just push it over, man. Just It rested. Time to go to like 60. Feels like it's just time to really fucking push. Like, oh, are you not going to take me out? I just fucking sold because I mean, this is make or break right here. This thing looks good. This thing's gonna fucking rip. I just gotta have the balls to hold it now. Come on. I don't even want to watch. Come on. Push it. Dude, that made back. I was down $1,200. That was like $400 I just got back. The only reason I took it off is I think it can retest 118, and I'm not willing to hold that. 118 is back down here. Actually, what I might do is I might buy 5 at like 118, well, 121. And I'll have a stop down here. And if it hits, it hits. I would have gotten filled. Hopefully one of you guys got filled. That was a great trade, guys. And I voiced through what I was thinking and everything. I hope, you guys got something out of it. I gotta go. My wife wouldn't stop texting me. I gotta leave. I promise you, we weren't gonna do the duck race on Monday. We will duck race on Monday. I'll be back home Monday, and things will all be right again on Monday. So enjoy, go have fun this weekend. I'm gonna go hang out with everybody. I'm on vacation. See you guys later.